Hey, I'm back. It's Brooke. I think I'm going to use these Franken Pages tags in this sewing journal, and I tea stained them. And this is what they look like. This is a bigger one, but this is what they look like before they're tea stained. But I'm gonna come back and do another video of decorating these. But what I was thinking was, I have this stamp set. If you can see it. And I got this at, it says Stamp Abilities. I got it at Joann's. All right, and I made some, what is this stuff called? Pattern paper. Made some little ruchy ribbons out of that. I have these. And I have a stamp pad and block and ink. And then I also have these little numbers. So I was thinking about decorating it up like that. And this comes from a Tim Holtz piece of paper. I think it's called Paper Stash 8x8. Okay, let's see what we can do with it. All right, I think I'm gonna put this down first. And I want it to be flat. So it'll go in and out of a pocket easily. And these things are hard to sew. I ripped like 6 of them. I just had to go really slow. All right, got that on. And I'm thinking a piece of this there. I'm gonna tear it. Ink up these ends. Yeah. Just glue the back of that. Because I will never get a straight line trying to glue it on that ribbon piece. Alright. Come up a little bit. Alrighty, let's see. Now let's do a stamp. Do the scissors there. Thimble. I think I'll do the thimble. Alright, get my ink pad open. And this color is called Soft Suede. They're really old stamp pads, but they still work. Let's put it, I think I'm gonna put it right there. Cute. There is a string. I don't want to smear anything. Ah! Okay. Wipe that off. All right. Let that dry a little bit. All right, and maybe one of these. There. Got a little piece of maybe there. Got this one. I think I like that. I think I just like it like that. All right, let's put this on. I guess that's 5/6. It reminded me of sewing, so I don't know if they are supposed to be for sewing or not. That's gonna drive me nuts. All right. I don't know if I want this there or not. Or maybe coming out this way. Yeah, I think I'll add that. Ink it up. Uh-oh. Cute. There's one. There's the back. And I don't know if I'm gonna do any hanging thing, but if I do, you will see it. All right, let's do the same thing on this one. I don't know if I want it the same. I like this pattern, but I also like that one. I guess I'll just do it the same. More towards the bottom this time. Okay. So about right up here. Oh, it's going to cover up a pretty little T-spot. Excuse me. Yeah, I found all these vintage patterns at a thrift store for like 50 cents. Okay, let's see if I can just use this one. Maybe I'll put it up there and just let it stick out, or do I want one going all the way again? I like all the way. Okay, it's already sticking. And I just printed these. This is from a Artie Mays free printable, and it's just on regular copy paper because I wanted to stay thinner, not as bulky. Maybe the 9/16 here and a stamp right here. Or back down here, maybe the scissors. I like the scissors. I'll stamp the scissors and then I'll decide about that. Sorry if you can see my head. Oh yeah, I like that. Maybe that up there. I like it right there. Cute. I wonder if I want another piece of this up here. I think so. Yep. getting a booger on the end of my glue. Oh, almost put it upside down. There we go. I think I'm going to ink these up. They were already inked a little bit, but I wanted a little more. Dirty them up some more. And I've only got 4 more to make of these. I'm putting 6 in. I like how this stamp kind of went ooky gooky. I like it. It's probably the tea back there made it run a little bit, but it was dry, so I don't know. I like it though. All right. There we go. Collage tags with stamping. Turned out pretty cute. There we go. Okay, and I will be back for the next part, which I don't know what it's going to be yet, but there will be another video for sure. Thanks for watching.